Okay, I'm gonna do something now. Is it recording?
Yeah. Go, JD.
Oh, that was smooth. You're the man now. Oh, I am a loser now. Woo! Huge! And you're breaking up!
That's a great stunt.
Hey man, how's it going? Wanna see my booger?
Okay.
I get your CDs. Oh, look at this. She's gonna die.
Yeah.
Okay, now we're gonna go talk to a dead man.
Wait, I gotta zoom out.
We're gonna go talk to a dead man. Come on, after the crash. Look at that. Get close up on that right there. Ooh.
My arm is completely screwed
The
up.
first death of the video.
Boom, boom, boom.
This is the words of
Thank
Brown.
you. Thank you very much.
I know. Let go of me. Okay, fine. You want me to let go, man? I let go.
Dude, he's dead. He's dead.
Search it.
He's dead. Stunt sound like medical team. Send in the medical team. Somebody strap him down.
This is the
Here's
dead
Nick's
man's script.
Nick is the man now.
I'm
Boom,
now the
he's got
stunt
one.
coordinator. No. Mine.
Just don't lean back.
I know that everything, now that everything's gonna be fine.
Okay. Do
See,
you
no,
want a
this isn't
stunt
good,
coordinator?
You see? My arm's just gonna go, I'm gonna have the
Do you
biggest cash of all. Yeah! Thank you, John. I love you, John! I love you, John. Let go, okay. Ow! I got cash!
There goes the box.
Box loose. No stunt coordinator.
Oh.
It's on, baby! It's on! Yeah! Great! Baby, I'm richer by being in a band!
Oh.
Anything? I'm invincible! Unrippable! I want to kill myself, but I can't!
Bit of a jump under there, and then cardboard to take you to it. And then the landing space, nice soft grass. But make sure you're on that side, not this side. Because this side, Satan thorns. Ready, Nick?
Yes.
Go!
JD is going after me.
Go!
And then Brian.
Go! Just gotta hit the middle of the route. Holy crap.
Dude, JD, you're like romping. I rolled in poop. Did he fly? Poop on my finger. Whoa, look at Gypsy go. Fucking poop on my finger. Look at Gypsy go. Where's the poop? Look at, zoom in on the poop. Zoom in on the poop. The poop on my finger.
Dude, that's
Oh my God.
crazy.
Are you serious? We'll find out if I move or not. Dun dun dun.
Ready? That was nice.
That was nice. Boys and girls, our final act of the evening. We will now watch our dear friend JD die.
Buddy, old JD.
See, what we are going to do is tape him inside this obscured structure.
The world was good to me.
Very. Being mailed away. Bye, JD. Bye, JD. All right. Get him back up on the board. Get the board.
Ray wants to do some more.
Tape.
No, he wants to do more.
Tape. I got it.
Here, let's open it up. Okay, you want to do another stunt?
Dude.